Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be tuning the car. Finally time to get to the tune. I've been very excited waiting on this video for the longest. I already have the Ktuner on my car right now, but I have not flashed it yet. I've been just playing around with the settings, making sure everything's right for the video, and just getting my feet wet with it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do some stock pulls on the freeway, and then I am going to stop the car, flash it, and then do some more pulls. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. I will also insert some footage of me doing the computer work. It's really simple on the computer. It's like 5 clicks and you're done. But yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, I hope the road noise isn't too bad, but we have reached the testing area in Mexico, and I'm going to do one pull in normal mode and then one pull in sport mode. So hopefully I can feel a difference after I flash it. I'm not sure, hopefully there will be, and I know this might be like very useless because there's no like data sheets or anything. All you're gonna be able to tell is off my feel, and yeah, that's really it. But hopefully y'all can see a difference, or hopefully I can feel a difference. And then I'm gonna do a 60 to 125. That's where my rank, that's where my limiter is. So hopefully I can get one in. Alrighty. I'm not going to downshift or anything and let the car do its thing. 3, 2, 1, forward it. And then another one in sport mode this time, from 60 to 125. Let the car settle. 7th gear. Drop down to 4th. I will probably try to do like a on-screen timer if my editing skills are up to par. But I mean, it felt the same once it got down to 4th gear and took off. And I think sport mode only does like throttle response. I don't think it changes any boost targets or anything. But I'm gonna get off, go tune the boy, and then we'll let it eat. We'll let it eat. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna tune it and we're gonna let the car eat. So hopefully it's faster. Hopefully I can feel that extra claimed like 40 horsepower, or I'll put it on the screen. Hopefully I can feel it though. I'm gonna also do a 0 to 60 with the brake boost. Get 0 to 60 in sport mode. Brake boosted well. Okay, never mind, I lied. The sport mode definitely is more rowdier than normal mode because I got wheel spin this time. I didn't get wheel spin on the other, maybe that was a different surface. Nah, I didn't get wheel spin on the normal mode, but yeah. Can someone please tell me how to make sure this doesn't like come off? Because it keeps on coming off. Like, no matter what kind of adhesive I put on here, no matter what I do, it always seems to peel off right here. And then over time, like, it starts to just droop more lower and lower. And I already have fasteners all in and out of this thing. So can someone just like either tell me how they did it to their Accord, if they have an Accord with the Yoker front lip, or give me ideas or something, because that's annoying. This side is happening more. I tried to redo that one before I did these pulls, but this one's also doing the same thing. I don't know what it is about it, but y'all just give me some advice or something. This one's a little bit better though. This one's a lot better. All right, guys, so to tune the car, you have to put the car in accessory mode. And I'm gonna actually turn my headlights on so my battery won't drain. And yeah, so click here. You just tap the screen anywhere in the middle. Pull that off. You just tap the screen anywhere in the middle, and then go to the Ktuner logo. Click on flash, and I have put 2 tunes on this car, or 3. I have my bass tune, my stage 2 that I'm going to be running right now, and then a burble, which is a stage 2, but it has like, I've changed some parameters on it to make it crackle and pop on decel. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and click on stage 2. It says, are you sure you want to flash this tune? And yes. Factory hardware has been set up properly. Hasn't been set up properly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what does that mean? Yes, I want to walk into this car. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a new tune and upload that new tune to your Ktuner on your vehicle. I'm going to be using my 2020 Accord for this demonstration. So what you're going to want to do is go up to File, go ahead and click on New Tune, click on the vehicle that you're going to be tuning, click the vehicle, this little plus button, and then the factory, click Next, and I'm going to be doing stage 2 for this demonstration. Go ahead and click Next. Alright, after it's loaded, you're going to go ahead and click Tuning, Upload Tune. It's going to give you a warning saying that your battery needs to be charged or plugged into a charger so it doesn't die. So yeah, my car is running, so it doesn't matter. Go ahead and click Yes. And then type in the name that you want to name the tune. For me, it's going to be Stage 2. I'm going to put mine in Slot 2 because I have a factory, and then like, I think I have another tune somewhere else. Verbal, and then like a stage 2++ or something, I don't know. But you're going to wait for that to load. It's going to start uploading that to the Ktuner itself. Alright, and as you can see, it is done now. There are some stuff you can change on the parameters and all that over here. I'm not going to mess with any of that, but you can change the fuel cut and all that stuff to make your burble tune if you want to do that. If you want to see how I made my burble tune, I'll probably post a chart on the screen right now with the list of things that I changed. But yeah, so that's how you go ahead and do that tune right there. The issue that I was running into, and the reason I had to go home and re-flash my car, was because I did my tuning in the house. So my car wasn't connected to my ECU, or my Ktuner was not connected to my ECU. And I just pretty much flashed tunes onto this Ktuner without it being linked to my car. And when I went to go flash it, it had to be reset to be linked to my vehicle. So go ahead and link your Ktuner to your car and do all the tuning in your car. Don't do anything in the house. It's not gonna work. Yeah.
10 seconds later.
Hopefully there's no fun police out here. Because I did it earlier in the day so I could see, but now I can't see a thing. I can hear the turbo more. I don't know if that's a sign of anything, but I can definitely hear the turbo, and then it revs way faster. Holy crap. It like revs instantly. Alright, we're gonna slow it down a little bit to 60 and then give her the beans. guys, I'm in 10th gear right now in regular mode. Flight tilts in there. Drop down to 4th gear. Past the governor, which means we are free. Alright guys, in sport mode, if I go down to 60, it throws me into, I want to say 6th gear. So instead of being in 6th, I'm already in, instead of being in 10th, I'm already in 6th gear. So when I floor it, it shouldn't have any like delay. It may still drop down to 4th gear, but we're gonna see now in a couple of seconds when the road straightens up. And 3, 2, 1, beans. Still down to 4th. Freak. I am here. Y'all need to stop messing with me on the V6s, boy. This thing is quick. Oh my. No, I want to put it on E so bad now. Let me get an 85 tune. Oh, that was litty.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm excited. It feels better, and I'm able to hit like over my governor now, which is way better. Before, whenever I would like race people, we would be rolling at like 70, 75, and then they'd hit it, and I'm like, bro, you don't want to mess with me. And then I hit it, I catch up to them, and then by the time we're doing 120, either their governor is higher than mine, or they're already behind me. So I hit my governor, and they start catching up to me, and I'm like, bro, I'm going as fast as I can. But now, I ain't gonna have to wait for nobody. Or I ain't gonna have to like let nobody pass me, so now I can do whatever I want. Alright guys, so I'm currently editing this video right now. It is a Friday afternoon at 3:26. This video should be up by 5 today. It is the, I think, 15th of October. Now, all this footage was recorded about a month ago. I did the install on the Ktuner, but I was having problems with recording the screen capture part of it, and I finally figured it out to the best quality that I can get it to. The laptop I was using was really poor quality, but it was a gift from somebody, so beggars can't be choosers. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video right now. If you stayed to the very end, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing if you're new. Stay tuned for more content. I will be trying to post at least twice a month now. I'm back in school, so the content will slow down, unfortunately, but we are so close to 1,000. Right now, we're at 976. So we will be at 1,000 within a week, hopefully, and we'll be good. We'll be monetized. But thanks for watching today. If you did like what you saw, go ahead and drop a like below, comment down below,
And go ahead and follow my Instagram and my Snapchat and all my handles. But y'all have a great day.